Hi, so today I'm going to talk about 88 Lionsgate Portal. What exactly the 88 Lionsgate Portal is? 88 Lionsgate Portal is a very good portal where you will be able to manifest your wish. Whatever wish you have related to your money, love, health, then this is a very good day to start your manifestation with. What is a good time to do manifestation on this day? The very good time to do manifestation on this day after the sunset, exactly at 8 p.m. What you have to do? You have to manifest, you have to start doing meditation on this day. What you have to do? Try to find a clear and a good space, a silent space in your home. If possible, trying to find a direction that is a northeast direction or north direction. This is a direction which is connected to the water element which will help you to manifest things easily in your life. It will help you to be focused. Otherwise, if possible, then try to do this under the sun, under the sky. This will be going to help you out to be focused and try to connect to the universe very easily. Try to bring a mat, sit in the mat, and you have to sit in the meditation position. Before you sit in the meditation position, try to keep things with you. Green color pen, you have to keep it with you. Blue color pen, you have to keep it with you. You have to keep a notebook with you, and you have to keep a glass full of water. Light up an incense stick and light up a candle or light up a diya in front of you. And then you have to sit in meditation. You have to sit in meditation, and the mudra that you have to use for sitting in meditation, so that you will be able to easily manifest your wishes. Try to keep your left palm in such a position and keep your right palm like this, and sit straight and close your eyes. Try to keep it near your navi and just focus while doing the meditation. So try to sit in silence for first 2 minutes in this mudra. Just be in silence and sit in this mudra for 2 minutes. And after that, after 2 minutes, you have to open your eyes and first try to list out what exactly you want to manifest. Make sure that you are manifesting one thing at a time. So you have to prioritize what you want to manifest. You want to manifest your love, you want to manifest money, you want to manifest a relationship, but make sure that you are manifesting one thing at a time. You can have a multiple goals, but at one time you can only manifest one thing. Sitting in the same mudra, that is how you are going to put. You have to put your left palm like in such a position and the right palm in such a position near your navi, and then again you have to close your eyes and you have to visualize that the wish or the manifestation that you want to come true. You have to just take a deep breath in the same mudra. You have to take a deep breath in and hold your breathing and start manifesting that you want to come true. Any specific wish that is there in your mind, connected to your money, connected to your love, connected to your relationship, start manifesting the way that you are already living that life and that comes true. Let's say you want to manifest the money, then while closing your eyes, you have to manifest the amount has already been credited in your account, and you have to visualize this in the present tense, and you have to hold the thought for 60 seconds. If you want to manifest your partner, then you have to hold the thought that you are already getting married to your partner and everything is working so well. When you are visualizing it, try to feel it. Try to feel the emotions, how happy you will feel when that is going to happen. Or whatever the wish you have, try to manifest that in the present moment that has already been achieved. Once you are done with the visualization, then you have to open your eyes and you have to start writing down 8 wishes that you want to get fulfilled. So what is a prime wish that you have visualized? The wish should around that part only. So you have to write down 8 wishes connected to the prime wish which you have visualized right now. So you have to write down the 8 wishes with a green color pen. You have to write down and keep this aside. After that, what you have to do, start paying gratitude. Start saying to universe, thank you so much universe for this beautiful life. Let's say you want to attract the money, then you have to say this 88 times, that thank you so much universe, I am a money magnet. Thank you so much universe, I am a money magnet, everything is working in my favor. And after that, you have to use a number that is 1176. 1176 is a code of converting all your dreams into the reality. So once you have repeated the affirmation, like you want to attract, you want to get married, you have to say, thank you, universe, I am happily married. Thank you, universe, I'm happily married. Thank you, universe, I'm happily married. 88 times. And you have to say this loudly. Let those emotions, happiness should come out, because in your mind that event has already been taken place. So once you are done with the gratitude, once you are done with the positive affirmation, then after that you have to write down all the problems of your life. Whatever problems you have in your life, any type of negative thoughts, any type of childhood trauma, any type of problems you are facing in your present life, it can be related to career, finances, health. You have to write down in the form of a story. Once you are done with the writing the negative thoughts with a blue color pen, then you have to burn the same in the candle. When you're burning it, just try to focus on the flame and burn in it such a way that you're letting go all the problems of your life in the fire. Now the most important step, what you have to take, you have to take the glass full of water, and you have to talk to the water. You have to talk to the water. This is called the water healing, and this is a very good way to manifest your life. So you have to talk to the water the same affirmation that you have repeated 88 times. You have to talk to the water how good you are feeling once the manifestation being fulfilled. Let's say you have said multiple times, I am married and I am happily married. Everything is working in my favor. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe 1176. Now you have to talk to the water and tell how good you are feeling after getting married. So you have to say, I'm happily married, my partner is loving, my partner is caring. Talk to the water, talk to the water with a positive affirmation, with a positive lifestyle that you want to live. And then after that, you have to drink that water with a positivity, feeling that everything is working in your favor, universe is working in your favor, and all your wishes will be going to come true. Now what you have to do, now you have done with the manifestation, the notebook where you, with a green color pen, wherever you have written the wishes, try to fold that and keep it below your pillow. First thing in the morning when you wake up, before you wake up, then make sure that you're visualizing the same thought again and again daily. 60 seconds you have to hold, and daily you have to hold that thought and visualize it. Before you wake up, you have to read that wishes that you have written with the green color pen daily till it comes true. Once it gets true, then you can burn the same in the fire, paying gratitude towards the universe. Tomorrow, on the 8th of August, the energies will be very high. Try not to miss it. If you are looking for your personal consultation for the 8 Lionsgate portal, then you can WhatsApp us on the given number. My team is going to help you out with a personal consultation. Thank you. Have a good day.